Every software development group tests its products, yet delivered software always has defects. Test engineers strive to catch them before the product is released, but they always creep in, and they often reappear, even with the best manual testing processes. Test automation software is the best way to increase the effectiveness, efficiency, and coverage of your software testing. If you're thinking about automating your testing practice, you'll love what follows next, because we're going to cover the top 10 benefits of automating your testing practice. Benefit number 1, return on investment. One of the top reasons that companies don't automate their testing is the initial investment. There is a financial investment and there's also a time investment. But like anything in life, the best things come with a little sacrifice. It is for this reason that return on investment is the first thing that we talk about when we're looking at automating your testing practice. The ROI for this investment depends on the type of testing operation that you're running. Investing in automated testing software should be no different than any other business investment. Best practices dictate that you go through some type of formalized review process. There are some simple formulas that you can use that show you how you can save both time and make additional revenue through automating your testing. You should easily be able to determine timeline payback specific to your business. Benefit number 2, always on testing. The beauty of automated testing is that you don't need to be physically present to do the test. For example, perhaps you compete for server resource time in your company. With test automation, you can set the test to run whenever you can get the computing access. It doesn't matter if it's the middle of the night. No one has to be awake or present in order to do the testing. You can start the test when you leave the office, and when you get back in the morning, you can see the test results and keep on working. You can even start or stop tests remotely using your mobile device. Benefit number 3, better utilization of human resources. If you currently use offshore testing resources because you can throw a lot of bodies cheaply at the effort, you don't need to continue that activity. With automated testing, you don't need a lot of people. In fact, in some instances, the test tools available need only be run by a single seasoned testing professional. That person writes the test scripts and sets the parameters for when they want the test to be run. Gone are the days when test professionals need to spend lots of boring hours running the same manual tests over and over again. Your internal test team can focus on more sophisticated testing challenges. This is a much better use of your professionals' time and leads to higher job satisfaction and less burnout. Benefit number 4, repeatability. The test scripts that you create can be archived in a test case library and reused anytime. You don't need new scripts all the time, even if the version of the operating software on the device changes. It allows you to redo the test exactly the same without forgetting any steps. Benefit number 5, auto error detection. Automation helps you to find bugs in the early stages of software development, which reduces expenses and working hours to fix these problems. Manual testing often ends in a test professional staring at screen after screen to find what error made the test fail. Auto test detection allows for auto identification of error right down to the bit level. No guesswork involved. You can get right to solving the problem. Benefit number 6, reliability. Automated testing is a more reliable and way quicker method of testing. Once created, the test results can be archived in the test case library for future use. They never change unless purposeful action is taken to modify them. The steps of the test never change, and no accidental errors occur due to boredom from repetition or fatigue. Why? Well, it's fairly simple. Computers just don't get tired. Benefit number 7, simultaneity. Automation allows you to test more devices simultaneously. A test run can be set to simulate multiple devices interacting with each other and exchanging messages. Manual testing usually entails one testing professional or team working on one interface, device, or switch at a time. With automation, that number of simultaneous testing is unlimited. Benefit number 8, continuity. One of the biggest headaches that any company faces is the loss of testing personnel. Depending on the sophistication of the testing practice, retraining can negatively affect productivity. With an automated test practice, the repository of knowledge for the test cases being run exists in the system, not in the person. This is especially helpful in situations where companies have a dependency on outsourced testing, where incidences of high turnover occur. Continuity is also important when test run comparisons are conducted. Automated testing allows for accurate test comparisons to be done without concerns that something has changed in the test script. Benefit number 9, complete testing. A complete testing system handles all types of testing. Oftentimes, tools, whether they're automated or manual, are designed as point solutions. While they may be sufficient for one type of testing, their limitations often cause companies to invest in multiple testing products in order to do the job necessary. The end results usually are wasted capital resources, test systems that don't talk to each other, and inefficient use of time due to having to start or stop disparate testing systems. Benefit number 10, good insurance. Investing in automated testing is not just good insurance. It's the best kind of insurance. Companies buy many types of business insurance because it's good business practice. But the insurance doesn't stop the undesirable thing from happening. It just helps to ease the pain once it's already happened. Automated testing is like the best kind of insurance a company can get because it can actually stop the bad thing from happening. What's the value of this type of insurance? Well, it's probably different for every company. So ask yourself, if you have an error in your product or service, how much do you stand to lose in real revenues? How much do you stand to lose in goodwill of the brand or of the customer? Those answers are why automated testing is the best kind of insurance. There are many more benefits to automating your testing practice. If you are looking to increase your testing effectiveness while decreasing your ongoing testing costs, automation might be the right thing for you. To find out about how you can become test automated, visit www.assert.com or send an email to info@assert.com or call 1-877-ASSERT-IT.